Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. All right, for context sake, earnings has come out, and the little disclaimer there is I'm going to do my best to gauge where it'll open up. So right now, PTON is right down around the 119 mark in after hours. But the tricky thing is we still have more after hours, and then you have all of pre-market. So where exactly is PTON going to open up? Your guess is as good as mine. But like I said, just based off how it's been behaving, I'm going to gauge it, right up opening right around the 120 to 118 mark, give or take. So looking at that and keeping that in mind, I'll get that out of the way because, like I said, I just want to set up some context. Where are some of these key levels going to be? And the one very important level that looking like it'll come into play here is right around 117.50. This was a former area of resistance right here. And when resistances are broken, which it was definitely shattered right there, they tend to act as support. So if that level does come into play, 117.50, you would expect it, you would want to see it act as support. Now, if the price all of a sudden, opens up way below 117.50, well, that would just show you how bearish, that the earnings actually became. But like I said, as I showed you, as of now, the price is still above 117.50. So I'll just still consider that an area of support. But again, if the price opens up down below there, well, then at that point, that would then be considered an area of resistance once again. In the event the price doesn't open up around that area, or looking like just in general, another level that'll be coming into play here is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, and that's currently valid at, we'll just call it the 116.25 mark. So 117.50, 116.25 could be a couple of important levels to watch from the support side of things. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to just start to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, right now, again, assuming that it opens up right around the 120 mark, that first key level would be right around the 123.25 mark, and then another level would be up here around the 127 mark. But again, if all of a sudden the price opens up above both of these levels, well, that would just show you how much things have turned around since I recorded the video, and that would be a very bullish situation as far as the earnings are concerned. But, doing my best here. These are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. So yeah, let's see how PTON plays out after the earnings have come out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.